to Casually Pilates. I'm Kristen, and today we're moving through a quick full body burn. This class focuses on core, glutes, and lengthening through movement. No equipment needed, just you and your mat. Let's get started. Let's start by warming up. Begin lying on your back, gently draw your knees into your chest, and just begin rocking side to side here. Feel your low back massage into the mat. Start to connect to your breath here, inhaling through the nose and exhaling out through the mouth. You can begin circling your legs from one direction to the next if that feels good too. We're just waking up the core, just a few more here. Bring your feet back down to the mat and let your knees fall gently side to side, warming up the spine with this rotation. Inhale to center and exhale as you twist. This feels so good on our lower back, and we definitely want to get our spine ready for our workout. Starting with the 100, you're going to want to curl your head, neck, and shoulders off the mat. Extend your legs to tabletop or straight out for more of a challenge. Arms are going to hover by your side, and you're going to begin pumping them up and down. Inhale for 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Continue on inhaling. I want your gaze between your thighs. Belly button is pulled to your spine. Keep inhaling. 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5. You've got this. 100 really starts to warm up that core. And we can go ahead and bring those knees into chest, lowering head, neck, and shoulders back down onto the mat. Roll up. Lower your legs. Arms reach overhead. Inhale to prepare. Exhale to peel up slowly, one vertebrae at a time, into a full roll up. Reach past your toes. Inhale to stack the spine nice and tall, and exhale to roll back with control. Imagine articulating your spine like a string of pearls, one vertebrae at a time. As soon as you lie back down, bringing your arms overhead, you're going to peel back up nice and slow. Once again, this is all about core here. I don't want you moving through momentum. I want you moving nice and slow, one vertebrae at a time. If you find this to be too challenging, you can modify by bending the knees or using the back of your thighs if needed. With me here, let's take one last one, peeling up off of the mat, nice and slow, one vertebrae at a time. Nice posture as we come up and bending over those legs. As you come, stacking your spine nice and tall again, you're going to roll back one vertebrae at a time. How slow can you go here? Bringing those arms back overhead. To all fours now for our booty focus. Bring that right leg out nice and long with the pointed toe. You're going to begin your leg lifts. A couple things to remember here. I want you to make sure you have your shoulders over wrists, hips over knees, and your core is engaged, pulling belly button to spine. Keep that toe nice and pointed, and I want really nice posture. I should be able to come and balance something on your back. Just give me 3, 2, last one here. We're going to hold it and pulse for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. You can feel it in the booty here. 3, 2, and 1. Lower that leg back down. Moving into kickbacks, you're going to flex that foot and kick up at the ceiling like you're stamping something on your ceiling. Check back into that core. Make sure belly button is pulled into spine, and make sure that you're also taking some good inhales and exhales here still. Just give me 5, 4, last 3, guys. We've got this. 2 more. And 1. Let's hold it and pulse it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, last 3, 2, and 1. Bring your leg back down. Because we want that nice round booty, we're going to move into circles. So circling the leg forward and around. I know it burns, but we are going to feel so good after this class, so keep it going. Okay, let's go ahead and reverse that circle in the other direction. Just give me 8, 7, 6, you've got it. Last 5, 4, check that belly button. 3 more, 2, last one, guys. We've got this. Awesome job. Nice. Bringing that leg back down. Open those knees out nice and wide and take a child's pose. You deserve it. Back to your breath here. Take some inhales and nice long exhales. Coming back up, we're going to move to the other side. Spine long, shoulders stable, abs hugging in. We're going to go ahead and lift that left leg now with that pointed toe. Nice long posture. Go ahead and lift that leg, pointing back through that toe, extending nice and long, lean legs here. Just give me 5, 4, 3, last 2, and 1. Hold it at the top here for our pulses for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Pull a belly button in. Last 3, 2, and 1. Lower that leg back down. Nice job. Moving into our kickbacks, our foot is flexed again, and you're gonna lift that leg and stamp the ceiling with the bottom of your foot. You've got it. We've got 3 and 2. Last 1. Hold at the top here and pulse for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Last 3, 2, and 1. Moving into those circles, you're going to circle your leg around and forward. Now let's go ahead and reverse those circles in the other direction. Just here for 10, so you've got this. Nice job. We're going to go ahead and open out for that child's pose again, taking a nice inhale here and a nice long exhale. Coming to our plank, we're going to lift that right leg straight back again with a nice pointed toe. Being that belly button pulled into spine, we're only lifting as high as we can here to get that booty activated. Arms are grounded into the mat, so nice and strong, and we have nice posture here, nice long back. Down to our lower forearm plank, we're going to begin rocking forward and back. Nice small shifts forward and back. Keep that core engaged. You've got this. I know it burns. Just give me a few more here. 3, 2 more, guys, and the last one. Nice job. We're going to lift back up to our plank so we can repeat on the other side. Check your form. Arms are nice and long, digging into the mat. You have your core engaged, and you're lifting out nice and long through that left leg with a pointed toe. Last one here before we come down to our forearm plank. We just have to finish this plank series out. We are almost there. Rocking back and forth for 8, 7, 6. Last 5. You are so strong. 4, 3. Don't give up now. 2 more. Last one. Nice job. Open those knees out nice and wide and take another child's pose. Take a nice inhale and exhale it all out. When you're ready, we're going to come down to our side series. Lie on your side, stack your hips and shoulders. Legs are long and slightly forward of your body. Your top hand is going to support you in front. Lift and lower the top leg with control. Think long and strong, not necessarily high, and keep that core engaged. Foot should be flexed, and if you can imagine just lifting and dragging that leg, it's so heavy you can use your body weight to your advantage here. It's less about how high you can lift and more about that control. Hold it at the top here and let's pulse for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Lower halfway and pulse now. You've got this. Foot is still flexed. Go ahead and drag that foot in and push it out. And imagine this leg is so heavy. Use your body weight to your advantage here. Just dragging and pushing. Check that your posture is still good and you're pushing up through that left arm on the mat. The core should still be engaged with your belly button pulled to spine. Last one here, point that toe. We're going to begin drawing circles forward. I want these to also be nice and controlled. Let's reverse that circle for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Last 3, you guys. 2 and 1. Lower that leg down. You can go ahead and tap that hip out if you need to, but we are going to meet on the other side. We'll go ahead and start with those leg lifts so our foot is flexed, and we'll begin lifting and lowering with nice control. Last one here, we're going to keep it at the top and pulse it. Lower that leg halfway and pulse here as well. Little tiny movements up and down, nice control, you've got it. Out nice and long, pointed toe. We're going to begin drawing those circles forward. Let's reverse that circle for 10, 9, 8, 7, don't give up here, 6, 5, 4, keep core engaged, 3, 2, last one, you guys. Awesome job, lower that leg. It burns so good. Go ahead and tap that hip out. You deserve it. Awesome job. Come back to our back for the series of 5. Starting with the single leg stretch, right knee is in and your left leg is long. You're going to continue switching and exhaling with each pull. Gaze between your thighs, belly button is pulled into spine, and let's move nice and slow here. There's no rush. Double leg stretch, both knees are in, arms reach and the legs reach. Circle the arms and hug in. I would crunch in at that core and exhale everything out. One here, bringing those legs in. We're going to move to scissors. Legs up to the sky, lower one toward the floor and switch. Pulse it in for 2. You've got this. Pointed toe, nice long lean legs, and gaze between those thighs. Belly button is pulled into that spine. You've got this. This is so good for that core. Both legs together, pointed toes at the ceiling, hands behind head, elbows out wide. You're going to lower your legs for 3, 2, 1, and lift back up. Core is engaged. Gaze is between those thighs, nice and controlled. When you lower as far as you can go, you don't have to go very far here to get that core engaged. Nice job, guys. We're going to finish it out with crisscross. Twist shoulder to knee and switch. Elbows are nice and wide. This is your last push. We've got this. Last one here. Let's bring those knees in. Give yourself a little rock side to side. You made it. Thank you so much for moving with me today. If you enjoyed this class, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Casually Pilates for more bite-sized workouts that build strength, balance, and calm. I hope to see you on the mat again soon.